Some birthdays on this Tuesday, and we're beginning in Chanute with Lainey Ann Jones celebrating birthday number 17. This comes from your entire family and all of your friends wishing for an amazingly awesome day. Happy birthday, Lainey.
All right, and I hope Christy Dillinger has an awesome day as well. She's turning the big 4-0 today, and she looks great. Christy is in St. Paul, Kansas.
We've got Joby Riker with the catch of the day there in Columbus, turning 52. Happy birthday, Joby.
We got a belated birthday wish going out to Rhonda Riddle. Last Friday turned 62 years. She only looks like she's 32. That's why I read that. 62 years old in Chanute.
And we got Ricky Don Sr. celebrating birthday number 62 as well. Happy birthday, Ricky.
And a belated birthday wish going out to Wilma Westoff, celebrating number 72 this year. Miss Wilma is in Chanute, Kansas.
And we've got Carl and Linda Crocker. Your anniversary was yesterday. It was our 46th in Chetopa. We accidentally missed that, so we send our apologies, but we are wishing you a belated happy anniversary to Carl and Linda Crocker in Chetopa.
All right, and our very own weekend sports anchor and sports reporter extraordinaire, Danny Terzer, celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Danny.
She's a little bit wiser today, a little bit wiser than the rest of us, I imagine. Kim Major celebrating number 44 in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you. Marilyn Torchia in Columbus celebrating. And Dale and Terry Purdy celebrating their 40th anniversary on Sunday. We always want to see this list grow, and Tanya is going to tell you how you can help us.
There's 2 emails that you can easily send your birthdays to. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Send them to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And of course, while you're checking out our website, head over to the mornings page and take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some amazing deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today at KOAMNewsNow.com.